Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now. Put the charged wrist widget on your dominant wrist and fasten it so it moves with your hand. Open the Only Way app on your phone and enable the widget toggle. Pairing completes in seconds. Once paired, grant motion and notification permissions so data flows. Make sure Bluetooth is active and the app runs in background. If syncing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reopen the app. You're ready to proceed to the core interaction. You now learn the core controls. Swipe left or right to cycle modes and tap to confirm selections. The interface is gesture first. Use a firm hold for contextual menus, then drag to choose. Double tap triggers the quick action you set in app preferences. Once you customize sensitivity and haptic feedback in Only Way, gestures feel natural and reliable. Make sure to practice each gesture for 1 minute to train recognition. If a gesture misfires, reduce sensitivity slightly in settings and retry. Finish by syncing your session to the Only Way cloud so logs and preferences are saved across devices. Once done, check for firmware updates in the app. Power cycle the widget during updates to ensure a clean install. If the widget becomes unresponsive, restart it first, then repair with Bluetooth. As a last resort, reset to factory settings inside Only Way, but export any needed data first. Remember, restart, repair, reset. This sequence fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.